Everyone take out lesson number 11, simple present tense, page number 46. Write down date, everyone. Nine dot 8.21, Monday, class 4. Today we'll start with tenses. So you know that there are three tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. And each tense has 4 parts. And we will do 2 parts of each tense. Now we'll start with present tense today. We'll do the first part of present tense, that is simple present tense. Now I'm sharing my screen to show you the video. So we have learned about simple present tense. A verb in the simple present tells us about an action that takes place now or happens regularly, which happen regularly. So in simple present tense, we use the structure subject plus verb plus s or es plus object. So with singular verbs, we add s or es, and with the plural, with singular subject, we add s or es to the verb, and with plural subjects, we use only the base form of the verb. We don't add s or es, we only use the base form of the verb. So let's learn few rules here. Verbs rule. Verbs ending in consonant plus y. So the verb which ends with consonant and there is y at the end of that verb, what we do, we remove the y, we'll change the y into I and then add es. Then add es. Like cry will become cries. Reply will become replies. Dry will become dries. Here what we are doing, we are changing the y into I and then we are adding es. If there is vowel before the y, if there is vowel before the y, in that case, we will not change the y, we will only add s at the end. Like play will become plays, stay will become stays, and enjoy will become enjoys. So if there is a consonant before y, in that case, we will change the y into I and add es. If there is a vowel before y, in that case, we will only add s. And the verbs ending with s, ch, sh, after those verbs, we add es. What we add? Es. So now let's do exercise 1, exercise A. The first one is done for you in this exercise. Complete these sentences with the simple present tense form of the verbs in the bracket. Megha dashed this show every Sunday. So this action happened regularly on every Sunday. So here we are talking about Megha. Megha is the singular noun. So we will add es after this verb. Watch. Watch is ending with ch. So we will add es at the end. Watches. Now the next one. The sun dash in the east and dash in the west. I'll ask from the roll number 1 to 10. Arya, tell me the answer of this one, first one. Second one, the sun
rises in the east and sets in the west.
Correct. So the answer is, here we'll write rises. Arya, you can mute yourself. Here we'll write rises. And here we'll write sets. Now next is for Akshit Mishra. Third one. We dash our books in the library. We. Here we is the plural pronoun. So what we'll write here, Akshit?
Ma'am, we read our book in the library.
We'll write reads here, Akshit. Here, our subject is singular or plural. First of all, find out that. We is singular or plural?
Ma'am, singular.
We is singular. We use we for whom?
No, ma'am, plural. Plural.
Are you sure we is plural now? We is singular or plural? Akshat?
Ma'am, plural.
So with plural, which verb we'll use? The base form of the verb, or we'll add s or es?
Ma'am, S.
We'll add to the base form of the verb with plurals. Is this right, Riddhi?
No, ma'am.
Can you tell us what is the correct answer of this?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in plural, ma'am, in plural, ma'am, yes.
We add es. Who is going to tell me the answer of this one? Nitya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, Nitya.
We read our books in the library.
Can you explain also? Can you tell me the reason also? Why here you have
Ma'am,
read?
ma'am, we is plural. Ma'am, plural with plural base verb.
Yes, with plural, we use only the base form of the verb, or
Base
you
verb.
can say the root form of the verb. We don't add s or es. Here we are talking about we. We is the plural pronoun. So we will write here only read. We will write here only read.
Read.
Okay. Now the next one, mute yourself. Ananya Arora. The man dashed the flute very well.
The man plays the flute very well.
Yes, plays.
Plays.
Yes, here we are talking about one man. So we'll write S after the verb. Plays. Correct.
Ma'am,
Yes.
तो मैम आपने संडे नाइट में जो आपने फोटो का भेजा था आपके
Ananya, that we will discuss later on. That we will discuss later on. Next, Anushka Sharma, unmute yourself. The bus conductor dash very slowly. Anushka Sharma, unmute yourself, beta. Anushka Verma, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. The bus conductor dash very slowly. Here we are talking about the bus conductor, which is singular. So what we will write here?
Ma'am, your voice is very slowly, please.
The bus conductor dash very slowly. Tell me the answer of this fifth one. Am I audible, Anushka?
Ma'am, yes, but your voice is coming very slowly.
Okay, wait. Now I'll ask from someone else. Yes, Kashvi, you tell me. The bus conductor dash very slowly.
Ma'am, the bus conductor replies very slowly.
Yes, replies, because here we are talking about bus conductor, which is singular noun. So we'll write here replies. Okay. You can see that in this, the verb ends with Y and there is a consonant before Y. So we'll change the Y into I and then add ES. Okay. Correct. Next one, the fox, Tushar. The fox dash over the fence.
Ma'am, the fox jumps over the fence.
Yes, jumps. Here again, we are talking about singular noun. So we'll add S at the verb. Jumps.
Okay, ma'am.
Correct. Krishna Rishi. The girls dash for a walk.
Ma'am, go for a walk.
Go. It will remain same. We'll use here the base form of the verb. Go will remain same. Go. Here because here our subject is plural. Next. Next is for Anushka Sharma. The plant dash in the sunlight. Anushka Sharma, unmute yourself quickly.
Ma'am, grows.
Grows, correct, grows. Mute yourself. Ashmita. The shop dashed the notebooks and pens. Ninth one, Ashmita. Quickly tell me the answer of ninth one. The shop dashed the notebook and pens. Here we
Shop,
Hmm.
ma'am, the shop.
Yes, tell me the answer quickly. Okay, Divyanshu, you tell me the answer. The shop dash notebooks and pens. Here we are talking about singular noun.
Ma'am, the shop sells.
Yes, sells. Because here our noun is singular. Sells. Now the last one, my brother dash his shoelaces, Anshika single, and dash in a hurry. Last one. My brother.
My brother, ma'am, ties
Yes, ties. And
his shoelaces and leaves in a hurry.
correct, Anshika. Correct answer. Leaves in a hurry. Correct. So this exercise is complete. Now you all will do exercise B in home.